So today we are going to learn the addition of ones and twos complements signed binary numbers. So let me see first the addition of ones complement binary number. So there is an important rule here. Add the two numbers. If there is a carry out of the most significant bit, then discard the carry and add one to the result. So we are going to see the four cases. First cases, both the numbers are positive. If both the numbers are positive, we have to take the binary of the number and we have to do the addition. So the binary of 8 is given here and binary of 5 is also given. So we have to add the number. For checking the sign, we have to check the most significant number. So if the most significant bit is 0, the result is a positive number. Second case, the negative number with smaller magnitude than the positive number. So consider this case 8 and minus 5. Minus 5 is a smaller magnitude number than the positive number. So we have to take first the ones complement of 8. So the ones complement, if it is a positive number, the ones complement is just a binary of that number. If it is a negative number, we have to take the binary of the specific number and we have to flip the bits. So the binary of the 5 here is 00000101. But we have to, since it is in ones complement, we have to flip the bits. So after flipping the bits, we have to add 8 with this specific binary. And if we are finding any carry, means discard that carry and add 1 to the result. So the answer is 00000011. The most significant bit here is 0. It indicates that is the positive number. It is positive 3. A negative number with larger magnitude than the positive number. So we have to take here the minus 8 is a larger magnitude, a larger number with negative sign. So we have to take the binary of the 8 and we have to just flip the bits. So binary of the minus 8 is given here and binary of the 5 is also given. So we have to add that both and we will get the most significant bit as 1. So it indicates that this is a negative number. Here in ones complement addition, both the numbers are negative means we have to take the binary of that number and we have to flip the bits. So binary of the number and flip the bits, and we have to add this both binary and we have to around carry, we have to discard that around carry and add 1 to the result, and the final value is this. And this most significant bit represents the reason 1 that indicates it is a negative number. So from this conclusion, if you want to do the ones complement addition, means if it is a positive number, we have to take the binary of that number. If it is a negative number, means we have to take the binary of the specific number and flip the bits. If we are getting any carry, means around carry, means we have to discard that carry and add 1 to the result. So this is a brief conclusion about this ones complement addition. Next, before just get inside this 2's complement, we want to just know what is this three kind of representations, data representation. The first representation is sign magnitude representation, and second one is ones complement, and third one is 2's complement. With the sign magnitude representation, if the number is positive, just we have to check the most significant bit. As 0 means it will indicate that is a negative number. Sorry, positive number. If it is 1 means it indicates that is a negative number. So 0 means positive and 1 is negative. So let me take the 12 and we have to get the binary of the 12. The binary of the 12 is 1100. If you want to represent that 12 in sign magnitude representation, we have to just append the 0 in front of it. If it is 0 means it indicates that is a positive 12. So if it is negative 12 means it indicates that the sign as 1. If it is a negative, it indicates it is a sign as 1. So according to the sign magnitude representation, we have to write the binary of that number, and friend in that just in the most significant bit we have to append as 0 if it is a positive or 1 if it is a negative. So how to convert that into 1's complement? If you want to, the 1's complement and 2's complement of the binary numbers are same. Whatever the numbers we are getting in the sign magnitude representation, they are same in 1's and 2's complement. But if you want to take the 1's complement of a negative number, 1's complement of the negative number is just we have to take the number as it is and just flip the bits. So that is positive of the number we have to take along with that sign. We have to take the positive of the number and just we have to flip the bits. Flip means reversing the bits. If it is 0 means we have to mention here 1. If it is 1 means we have to mention here 0. So this is the 1's complement representation. We have to take the digit along with that sign and we have to flip the bits. Next one is 2's complement. As I already told, if it is a positive number, the 1's complement, sign magnitude and 2's complement all are same. But if we are seeing that in the 2's complement means that we have to take that positive of that number. For example, we have to take the positive of the 12 and we have to reverse the number and add 1 to that. If you want to take the 1's complement, we just flip the bits. But if you want to take the 2's complement, we have to take the number, positive of that number, flip the bits and add 1. So if you want to find any numbers 2's complement means we have to take the positive of that number, flip the bits and add 1. So this is the process. So let me see about the addition of 2's complement. As we know, both are positive number means we have to take the binary of that number and do the addition. If it is a negative number with smaller magnitude, then the positive number means we have to find the 2's complement of this 5. As we know how to find the 2's complement of the specific number, we have to take the positive 5, we have to take the positive 5 and we have to flip the bits and add 1. Since it is a 2's complement, we have to flip the bits and add 1. After that, we will get the value of -5 as 11111011, and we have to add that along with positive 8. If we are getting any carry means just discard the carry. Negative number with larger magnitude than positive number. So we have to find the 2's complement representation of -8. 2's complement representation of -8, as we know, if it is a positive number, the 2's complement of that number is just binary of that number. But it is a negative number means we have to take the positive of that 8 and we have to flip the bits and add 1. So after doing all this process, we will get the result as 11111000. So we have to add the number and we will get the results. So the most significant bit here is 1, so which indicates that as a negative number. And last one is both are negative. Both are negative means we have to take the positive of that number, flip the bits and add 1. After adding that, we will get the value of -8 and -5 and we will perform this addition operation. And if we are getting the most significant bit is 1 means it indicates that that's a negative number. Thank you.